Introducing the SNA Logic Kit, a hands-on solution for mastering digital logic circuits. This innovation was developed by a passionate team from Polytechnic Seberang Perai. Students often struggle to grasp the concept of logic gates through textbooks alone. Hands-on tools are limited, costly, and not always aligned with learning needs. Our goal was to create an interactive kit that makes learning digital logic fun, accessible, and effective. The SNA Logic Kit includes plug-and-play modules for all basic logic gates. It provides real-time feedback with LEDs and switches, bridging theory with practice. This kit increases student engagement, supports STEM goals, and aligns with technical education needs. It empowers both students and teachers in an enjoyable learning experience. Pilot tests show significant improvement in students' understanding. Educators report that lessons become more interactive and effective. The SNA Logic Kit is affordable, scalable, and designed for institutional use. It has strong commercial potential across schools and training centers. Thank you for watching. Let's inspire the next generation of digital learners with the SNA Logic Kit. For more information or collaboration, reach out to us at Polytechnic Seberang Perai. Together, we build a smarter future.